You can download your disclosure from the shared pool screen. Go over to the work area, press on the Disclosure Docs button and select Download Disclosure Documents. This gives you the ability to download a complete set of index documents. They'll be ordered, named, and ready to either drop into your practice management system or share with the other side. So let's go ahead and generate a zip file. So it busily goes and obtains the documents, indexes, and names them. Our zip is now ready. We press the download button here to simply take it from the system to your desktop, and there it is. Let's have a look at the contents of the zip file. Here we have Thompson & Thompson. First thing you'll notice is that there's an index, and that's in the PDF format. The PDF format is really simply an index, and it's the equivalent of the PDF version of the disclosure schedule. And you'll notice that it follows the ABC protocol. So we have Kate's income, A1, first person, broken into notice of assessment and tax returns. Let's now go and have a look at a person who's authorized could follow the link and actually view the document or download it. Let's have a look at the items here. They cascade down. Kate's income, Kate's person 1, there's the documents. In the grouping of tax file numbers and notice of assessment, and there's the document ID numbers. Okay, we go back. We can follow that right through, and that follows that ABC right through. As we go down into each item, we'll find exactly the same thing. Bank statements in order and with reference numbers.